Deep in the vast expanse of space lies a distant galaxy, shrouded in mystery and intrigue. We've been trying to unravel its secrets for years, but the more we learn, the more questions arise. What's so special about this particular galaxy that has captured our attention? Is it the way the stars twinkle like diamonds against the inky blackness of space, or perhaps something more profound? Let's start by taking a closer look at its structure. This galaxy is unlike any other, with tendrils of gas and dust stretching out like ghostly fingers into the surrounding cosmos. It's as if it's reaching out to touch something else, but what? We can see that it's spinning in an unusual way, with one side moving faster than the other. But why would a galaxy behave like this? Maybe we're just seeing things from our limited perspective. Maybe there's more to this galaxy than meets the eye. Perhaps it's not just a collection of stars and gas, but a gateway to something greater. We know that galaxies are constantly interacting with each other through gravity, but what if this one is doing something more? What if it's, I don't know, connected to us somehow? Let's take a step back and consider the bigger picture. Galaxies like this one are scattered throughout the universe, each with its unique characteristics and quirks. But they all share one thing in common: they're all moving away from us. The farther we look out into space, the faster those galaxies seem to be fleeing. But what's causing them to move so quickly? Some people think it might have something to do with the expansion of the universe itself. You see, about 13 billion years ago, our universe was a tiny, hot, and dense point called a singularity. And then, well, we're not entirely sure what happened next. All we know is that this singularity expanded rapidly, and everything in it started moving away from each other. But if the universe is still expanding today, why do some galaxies seem to be moving faster than others? Could it be related to something called dark matter? We don't really understand what dark matter is or how it behaves, but we know it's out there, invisible and intangible, making up a huge portion of our universe. Some scientists think that dark matter might be responsible for the strange movements of galaxies like this one. But if that's true, then why can't we see it? Why does it remain hidden from us? I've been thinking about this problem a lot lately, and I have to admit, it's starting to drive me a bit crazy. We're so used to seeing things in terms of what we know, but what if the truth is that there are still so many unknowns out there? What if our understanding of the universe is just a tiny little drop in the ocean compared to what's really going on? Let's look at some of the observations we've made. We've seen galaxies colliding and merging, their stars and gas swirling together like cosmic dancers. But what happens when two galaxies collide? Do they merge into one, or do they just sort of bounce off each other? And what about black holes? Those regions of space where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape. What role do they play in all this? One thing's for sure, the universe is full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. We're making progress, but it feels like we're just scratching the surface. Every time we think we've figured something out, a new question pops up and challenges our assumptions. But isn't that what makes this so fascinating? The not knowing, the uncertainty, it's what drives us forward. Now, I'm not saying I have all the answers or even most of them. Far from it. But maybe by exploring these questions together, we can stumble upon something new and exciting. Maybe we'll discover a pattern or a connection that nobody's seen before. Or maybe we'll just come up empty-handed. Either way, it's worth a shot. I find myself wondering what other secrets this distant galaxy might hold. What's the relationship between its stars? Do they orbit each other in complex patterns or move independently like tiny ballerinas on stage? And what about its central core? Is there something lurking in there that we can't quite see? The more I think about it, the more I realize how much we still have to learn. We're like little explorers venturing into a vast, uncharted territory. Every new discovery opens up even more questions and possibilities. And yet, what if this galaxy is not just any ordinary galaxy? What if it's a key to understanding something fundamental about our universe? We've been studying the cosmos for centuries, but we still can't help feeling like tiny specks in an infinite sea. It's both humbling and exhilarating at the same time. As we continue to probe deeper into space, we'll undoubtedly find more mysteries waiting for us. And that's what makes it all so thrilling. I'm not sure where this journey will take us next or what secrets we might uncover along the way. But one thing is certain, there's still so much to explore, and I'm excited to see where our curiosity will lead us.